Hey, vacuum fans, it's Johnny Vacuum. And if you know me, you know I love vacuums. I used to take them apart back in the day at the old I-95 flea market, and change the belts, give them a tune-up. But today we're here for the Bissell, which I have become a fan of the Bissell. As you can see to the left, I have the Pro Force Helix, which I love and recommend. It's lightweight, easy to move. But today we're here for the brand new to me, Bissell TurboClean PowerBrush Pet. So this is a steam clean vacuum, and I do love the look. It's got the lemon lime. It's very tasty looking if you ask me. And I'm just going to show you how to put it together and what parts come with it. So over here we have the upper handle, and you can see we got the trigger there. And again, I love the bright, positive colors. Got some lime there. And then we got the baseball bat, which they call the middle handle. Okay, so you got to get a grip. So those are your two handles. If you can handle this video, because I'm here to show you how to put it together. Over here, we got the clean water tank. Got a little tanker right here. See, we got some plugs. Right, so this is going to be the tank, and then they give us this mini Bissell Pro Max Clean Protect. Wish it was a little bigger, but that's a good starter size, 8 ounces. It's kind of like a small glass, although I don't recommend drinking it. It'd be nice if they gave us 2 or bigger ones, since, paid over $100 for this unit. Currently, I think it was $118. So I will show you guys and gals how to put it together. All right. Okay, the first piece of business we're going to handle is the middle handlebar. And that's over here. Actually, it's not a handlebar like a BMX bike, just a handle. We're going to swing it this way. You can see the pretty Bissell name right there. And we're actually going to pop it right on there like so. Actually, you can look at the inside. Kind of reminds you of the back of a toilet tank. You got that going up and down, not to be confused with wax on, wax off. So once you get it in place like so, as you can see, right, it's just going to pop down and click. Bam, just like that. Okay, the next piece of business, if you can handle it, is the upper handle, which is actually going to click into the middle handle, who you just met recently. So you get the upper handle. It's got the trigger in there, and as you can see on the top, it's actually just going to go right down there and click. And again, if we want to look inside, we got that little up and down. Again, not to be confused with left, right, BA start, which is for Contra. Just building the vacuum today, folks. Video game time will be later. So we're just going to pop it down when you get it straight, and it will click. There we go. Pretty good, and it's almost already built. The tower of power. Okay, the next piece of business is the water tank, where the clean water goes. I just want to show you the tank slightly. It does have this nice handle here, which I like, so you can grip it nice and easy. Instead of some of them, you kind of just have to grab like this and hope for the best. Also want to show you, it does say clean water, just so you're clear. That's a pun, I think. Is that what they call those? But I wanted to show you the back as well. It's even telling you the temperature it recommends for the water. And they do say hot tap water, not boiling water. And I kind of like how it tells you to fill it up to the water there. And then right above it would be the formula. Again, the formula right there. Not to be confused with the formula race cars, guys, that drive around in circles. Just the liquid formula, like so. But I kind of like how it tells you. So it's pretty much all going to be water. And then just at the tippy top, and they have a line, will be the formula. Okay? So, how we get this, that's actually the back. So we're going to do a little 360, or is it a 180? Kind of like so. I'm trying to do this with one hand, So once it's in place, and again, I don't just jam it down or click it. I'm trying to show you guys, so you can see the logo, clean water is on that side. And this other tank is the dirty water, and so they're identified nice. And it's even going to tell you when it's full. That has a line as well, as you can see. All right, so I kind of like all this stuff, guys. We got all these grips and neat stuff, and now that's just going to pop down. Just like that. Oh, I'm using my left hand. I am right-handed. But there you go. It actually goes in and out. Very, very easy peasy. It almost looks like it should be going down more. Alright, let me show you the dirty water tank, although it already comes attached. But you see you have these little handles over here, pull to remove. And we got another one on this side, pull to remove. You're just going to grab these really easy, lift them up, and then they go out. Right? Open up like so, kind of like a transformer. Which actually, this would be pretty cool if it actually looked like a transformer, because I like me some transformers. But again, this is real easy. Even though it comes together, I just want to show you this a little bit, and it just comes out. Dirty water. Just like so. And then if we take a look in here, what's it say? Wipe debris from the red filter regularly. So you want to keep that clean. It's got some brief instructions over there as well for things. You can actually remove this nozzle if you want to clean under here. You know, and in the side, that could be pretty good. But guys, that is actually it for how to build this. But check out the rims. They're just black. Everybody likes the black rims the last 20 years. I still like chrome. Maybe I could paint those or polish them up a little bit though. But this is really just a great looking vacuum. I mean, I really like it. You know, it's pretty cool looking. You know, it's got a nice decent cord, you know, solid, strong. And we'll take a look at the back. Got a pedal back there, just like riding a car. And then you got the power button, it's hiding a little bit. Okay, got some more information here. The model number, I guess, and all that, serial number. But I do not advise eating cereal while using this, although some people said they can use this with one hand, which is pretty impressive. So what do you think, guys? Anybody own this? Anybody like it? Why don't you let me know in the comments section. Also, let me know about this cleaner. I wish I didn't have to keep buying this cleaner. I don't know how much it's going to cost, and I'm sure they have other stuff on the market. But sometimes you have to use the cleaners they come with, or they say that they can mess up the internal guts, kind of like if you put the wrong oil in the car. And I'm a little scared to use like spray and wash or shout spray, because that could actually take the color off your carpet. And this is actually a newer carpet, as you can see, and it's actually really nice and new. So yeah, but I wish, you know, there's also the Resolve foam sprays. I actually used to use those, but I don't know if I want to spray it on the ground and use this. Has anyone tried that? Because I do like the foam. But maybe the detergent or cleaner or formula that cleans and protects to the max times 4. Maybe it's not that expensive. I don't know. Okay, folks, it's your lucky day. The Sicilian pizza is going to wait, and I'm going to show you how this works. So I decided to test it out in the other room, and so far I actually love it. And I still have half a tank in there. And if you know, it's $3 a gallon, but water is still cheaper. And this is pretty lightweight, to be honest with you. Even with a full tank, it's not too bad. Probably because it's not super wide like your standard vacuum. But I am loving it. I did put the detergent in at the top a little bit, as advertised. So I'm just going to show you the process. And it's just a matter of going forward with the trigger. Trigger's up here. You know, you're spraying it forward, right? And then you're spraying it backwards. And then you just go up and down without the trigger to dry it. And I would recommend going a few times back and forth, kind of like Aaliyah. Oh wow, now I'm getting the 90s rap music. Alright, so there's a pedal all the way down there. You want to put the pedal to the metal. Actually, it's all plastic. My bad, folks. I'm getting confused. And again, you got the cord. You can kind of put it right up there so you have a little more room. And, you know, the shoes are matching. I thought it'd be good if I matched the shoes, the lemon lime shoes with the lemon lime vacuum. They do not come with the vacuum, just to be clear. And the button's all the way down here, and it's kind of a weird button. It is red, you can't really see it too great. So you're gonna push it, right? Hit the pedal. And then you're gonna hit the trigger, right? You're gonna go forward and back. So trigger, up, trigger back, okay? And then you're just gonna go back and forth. And you can actually see some of the detergent, although it's hard to see in the camera. See it sucking it up? There you go. It's like a waterfall. So you would just go back and forth and it's going to continue to suck it up. It says you only do 1 to 2 passes, but I would do a few, you know, but you're only doing the trigger up, trigger back, and then you're going to do the passes. So let's see how dirty the dirty water is. Look at this, guys. It's like tar or oil. Look how black that is. Now that's not from the blue carpet or the red carpet. That's from a back room carpet. It's like 25 years old. It's flat, faded, and it took all that crap out of the carpet. So this thing is truly incredible. So guys, gals, hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, this thing is worth its weight in gold. It's really ridiculous, the job it does. What's it weigh, about 14 pounds? So it's worth 14 pounds of gold? What's gold now an ounce? Anyone know? But seriously, this is crazy. You know, normally you can pay someone, I don't know, what do they charge? 150, 250 nowadays. You buy this and it pays for itself, you know, in a vacuum or two. This is awesome. Highly recommend. And I will put an Amazon link in the description for you to purchase. So happy vacuuming from Johnny Vacuum.